YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Happy memes. Alright, so today we have an unboxing video coming to you. I just got these in the mail today, so I'm about to show you that. But before we get into that, shout out to the new subscribers. Last week we were at 80, now we're at like 91. So we're growing, we keep growing. You know, when we reach 100 subscribers, we're gonna do 100 subscriber giveaways. So again, shout out and thank you to all you guys watching, liking, commenting. I see you, I appreciate you. We're growing, and I want to know what you guys want to see more from me. Reactions, fashion, me speaking. If it's anything new you want to see from me, just let me know what you want to see from me in the comments down below. So let's get right to this unboxing. So I got these from Farfetch. If you don't know, that's like an Italian boutique. And you know I don't buy anything. If you watch like my fashion videos, anybody who's like into fashion or watch my like style videos, you know I don't buy anything that is not on sale. Oh, and if you stay till the end of this video, I'm gonna tell you not where I got these, but where you could get this something similar but even for a better price. I got these, you know, they retail for like $4.90. Tax and shipping is about 500 and something. I got these for like 4 something shipped. I think it was 411 shipped, probably a little under that. And I know we could get it for 362 shipped.
Alright, get into this.
Comes in this like nice box, you know, has the little tissue paper. Comes in this box. If you watch my last, oh, by the way, the other McQueens, I sold them, guys. They were just too big. Like, they made my foot look too big. So hopefully these are a lot better than the other ones. You know, it comes with the little card. So it was just like a flip out. I sold the ones that I had, and I bought these, and the difference was like $100 that I paid, so I just flipped, you know, a flip. The last one I think I paid $272 for it. I sold it for like $3 something, which, you know, I mean $8. Well, not 8. What's that? 30 something, 26. Yeah, I do the math. I can't think right now, but yeah. These, they're kind of like tennis shoes. They kind of look like the Adidas or Raf Simons, pretty much. That's what it is, but they're oversized, and you know, the summer's coming up. And I just thought white would just be a very dope, you know, thing to wear. Came in a little bag, and let me not show you the dust bag. Let's get close up. Okay. So I hope this focus. I hope the white is not like, you know, too blinding. But in the front of the shoe, you see this. It's all leather, all well stitched. I really like, let me see what I really like on. I just really like the silhouette. I like the fact that it's oversized. You know, I've seen the shoe before. We all seen a shoe like this before. Like I said, it looks like the Adidas. Same style at the side at the back. You know, it has the little Alexander McQueen. Yeah. Just a really dope, like, classy silhouette that I could wear with some jeans or some shorts, and it's gonna be good for the summer. Like I said, these are originally $4.90. I got it for 15% off, and I got free shipping. You know, it's not the sale I wanted. Like, I really wanted to get these for under $300. Oh, sizing. Okay, because I did try. I tried them on in the store, and I bought a 41.5, right? Because the last one I bought was a 42, and the 42 was kind of big on me. And then my friend, well, not my friend, but somebody who I spoke to told me to go like a half size down and try it on in the store, and that's what I did. And I went a half size down, and these fit good. These fit perfectly. I could have even went a full size down, but I recommend going a half size down. Definitely not true to size. It does not fit true to size in my opinion. So I find that, I said this in my last video, if you buy the stuff straight from like Paris or Italy or one of those boutique brands online or something, you get it much cheaper than buying it here. Like, and I'm not paying retail for luxury brands, and I don't even think luxury brands are worth the price. You know, they're just selling you the name. Everybody knows that. They're just selling you the name, but to a certain extent, if you can afford it, and sometimes, well, a lot of times the quality is a lot better than, you know, a $90, $100 shoes, but sometimes quality is the same thing. Like, you just never know. But these, they say it's 100% lambskin leather, and it's made in Italy, so you would think, you know, you're getting good quality. I'm not paying $500 for it, but I definitely would get it on sale, and that's what I did. I'm rambling. I should do an on feet. I'm gonna do an on feet for you guys. I'm gonna do an on feet. Okay, here's the little on feet review. You know, my room is a little tiny space. Until we get up there, we got more space. I'm doing the best I can. I just feel like I should give you guys an on feet review, because I know like people like to see that. But yeah, here's a little on feet review. Hope the quality is good. That's how it really fits. It's very comfortable. I like them. They're dope, and I think they'll be very good for the summer. Okay, so that was that. I did the best I could do with the little space that I have. Y'all know I shoot in my room. I got this little tiny space with the like review. But once we get up and I get my own place, I will have like better videos and better like reviews and stuff to give you. That's number one to end this video. Number two is I need a new camera, guys. So, you know, I also shoot with my phone, and I'm looking for a new camera. So, if you have any suggestions, let me know down below. Number three, like I said, if you stay to the end of the video, I will tell you where I copped these for $362, and the website is My Red Queen. Well, not where I cop them, but where you can cop them if you do want it for the low price. Except it's right at the bottom. The website is called myredqueen.com. I think it is an Italian boutique. It's for $362 right now, free shipping, and yeah, that is it for this video. So thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe if you did like this video, and I'll see you next time.